Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Advanced Therapy. This stuff is really good. I use it on my hands every night. I get calluses and scrapes and scars, and put a little of this on every night. And for the size you get for, I had it on subscription, had to push it back because that is a lot. It will last forever. It's kind of got a Vaseline consistency. When you put it on, it's a little bit greasy at first. It kind of dissolves and goes away. There's no smell to it, but really helps the dry, cracked scars and scrapes go away about twice as fast as normal. No scent. Only complaint would be just a little greasy at first until it kind of wears off and soaks in. But highly recommend. It's 14 ounces. I've had this for 3-4 weeks and just barely put a dent in it. If you're looking for something like this is a great value, great price, and will last forever. Aquaphor.